How I remember everything I read. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how I remember everything I read. As someone who loves reading, I know how frustrating it can be to finish a book only to forget what you just read. But over the years, I've developed a system that helps me retain information and recall it whenever I need it. So in this video, I'll be sharing my tips and tricks for remembering everything you read. Number 1, active reading. The first step to remembering what you read is to actively engage with the material. This means taking notes, highlighting important passages, and asking yourself questions as you read. By actively engaging with the material, you'll be more likely to remember it later on. Number 2, visualize. Visualizing what you're reading is another effective way to remember information. As you read, try to create mental images of the information you're reading. For example, if you're reading a history book, try to picture the events in your mind. This will help you recall the information later on. Number 3, summarize. After you finish reading a section or chapter, try to summarize what you just read in your own words. This will help solidify the information in your mind and make it easier to remember later on. You can do this by writing a brief summary or by discussing the information with someone else. Number 4, make connections. One of the most effective ways to remember information is to connect it to something you already know. For example, if you're reading about a new scientific concept, try to connect it to something you learned in high school science class. By making these connections, you'll be more likely to remember the information. Number 5, repeat. Repetition is key when it comes to memory retention. After you finish reading, try to repeat the information to yourself several times. You can also try to teach the information to someone else, as this will help solidify it in your mind. Number 6, use memory techniques. There are a variety of memory techniques you can use to remember information. Some popular techniques include mnemonics, acronyms, and visualization. Find a technique that works for you and use it to remember the information you read. Number 7, take breaks. Finally, it's important to take breaks when you're reading. Your brain can only absorb so much information at once, so taking breaks will help you retain information better. Try to take a break every 30 to 45 minutes and do something relaxing, like taking a walk or listening to music. By using these tips and tricks, you'll be able to remember everything you read. Remember, it takes practice and patience, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't work perfectly at first. Just keep at it, and soon you'll be able to retain information like a pro. That's all for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other tips for remembering what you read, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.